So, how was everybody's day today?
Well, I had to work again. The human they call Laura took me to another place with many short humans. I think they call it a school or something. I had to show them about.
Let me guess. Hibernation. Oh, man, not again. Jeez, can't believe how many times I've done that before. Yup, guess it's that time of year again. Days are getting shorter, nights are getting longer, weather's cooling down, leaves are turning colors and falling off the trees.
So what's the big deal anyway? Why are humans so fascinated with hibernation? I mean, doesn't everyone do it these days?
Whoa, now hold on there a minute, Mr. Toad. I certainly don't sleep the whole winter away, like some people do. You tell it like it is, Opossum. Folks like you and I, we work hard all winter, scurrying around, sniffing out acorns we buried during the fall. Yeah, sure. Or sampling the contents of humans' garbage cans. That's much more efficient and quite tasty, I might add. Right. Now hang on a minute, guys. Some of us are not native to Virginia and have no idea about this, what you are calling it, hibernation. Right, Iggy. Sorry about that. Hibernation is when an animal slows down its body processes, like breathing, digestion, and heart rate, way down, and spends the whole winter that way. In a protected area, like a den in the ground, or maybe a hollowed-out tree. Ay, caramba! That sounds positively boring.
Hey, give a fellow ectotherm a break. We cold-blooded animals out there couldn't last in wintry conditions. Our body temperature is the same as the area surrounding us. We're turned into toadsicles out there.
Toadsicles? So, I get it. You reptiles and amphibians hibernate. But what about us mammals? Why do only some of us hibernate while the rest of us are out there shoveling snow all winter long? Let me handle this one, dear. Unlike my perfect omnivore self, some of us are rather picky eaters. Groundhogs love only plants. Bats love only bugs. And since there aren't a whole lot of either of those around in the winter, they gotta either close up shop for the season or migrate to where it's warmer. And from what I hear from my bird pals, migrating, no picnic. Wow, so many choices on how to spend the winter. I guess it all depends on how we are built and what adaptations we have to help us survive these seasons. I wonder if humans hibernate.
I wish they would. I sure could use a vacation.